What is a neuron? This is the basic data processing unit of the nervous system, aka nerve cell. It is a specialized cell that carries information electrically from one part of the body to another by specialized processes or extensions called dendrites and axons. Widely branched dendrites carry nerve impulses toward the cell body, while axons carry them away and speed up transmitting nerve impulses from one neuron to another. A neuron is able to, in an instant, receive the outputs of many other cells, process this incoming information, and decide whether to generate its own signal to be passed on to other neurons, muscles, or gland cells. Neurons are highly specialized for the initiation and transmission of electrical signals using neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, dopamine, serotonin, etc. Neurons in different parts of the nervous system perform diverse functions and therefore vary in shape, size, and electrochemical properties. However, neurons have a special cellular anatomy adapted to the quick transmission of an electrical charge. Based on physiology or function, neurons are classified into three broad types: sensory, motor, and interneurons. Sensory neurons. These are also called afferent neurons. Afferent meaning moving toward. These neurons respond to sensory stimuli, passing the impulses ultimately to the spinal cord and brain. Motor neurons, also called efferent neurons. Efferent meaning moving away. These transmit impulses from the brain and spinal cord to effector organs like muscles and glands, triggering responses from these organs. Interneurons, also called association neurons. These connect neurons to other neurons within the same region of the brain or spinal cord. Based on morphology or structure, neurons are classified into fairly four types: multipolar, bipolar, unipolar, and pseudo-unipolar neurons. The understanding of those neurons are easy to if you understand the root words and prefixes attached to them. Multipolar. As the name implies, multi means more than one and polar means pole. The same thing is applicable to bipolar, unipolar, and pseudo-unipolar. For pseudo-unipolar, we have pseudo, which means false, uni, which means one, and polar, which means pole. The pseudo-unipolar is similar to unipolar, but the only thing is that it is not really at the end of the pole, neither is it at the middle of the pole, like in bipolar neurons. Sensory neurons have dendrites on both ends and are connected by a long axon that has a cell body in the middle, which means that they can either be pseudo-unipolar or bipolar. Motor neurons have a cell body on one end and dendrites on the other end, with a long axon in the middle, which means they can either be unipolar or multipolar.